Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Writing research papers, essays, or academic documents can be time-consuming and challenging. But what if you could generate a well-structured, high-quality essay of up to 20,000 words in just a few clicks? That's exactly what Oreate AI offers. This AI-powered academic writing tool helps students and researchers write, paraphrase, edit, and format their content effortlessly. With features like one-click essay generation, accurate citations, MLA, APA, Chicago, and plagiarism-free writing, Oreate AI ensures your content is professional and AI detection safe. In this video, I'll give you a complete walkthrough of Oreate AI, showing how it simplifies academic writing. Plus, I have a special discount code for you, so stay tuned and don't miss out. You can find the link to this platform in the video description below. Simply click on it to access the website. Once you're there, click on the Start Writing icon. Before you begin, you'll need to create an account. You can sign up easily using your Gmail account. After logging in, you'll see the paraphrase option on the home page. This feature helps rewrite text while maintaining its original meaning, improving clarity and readability. It helps make your content plagiarism-free, ensuring originality. Simply enter your text, click Paraphrase, and get a refined version instantly. I pasted a paragraph into the Paraphrase tool, and it instantly rewrote it while keeping the original meaning intact. The rephrased content is now plagiarism-free and can easily pass any AI detection tool, ensuring it appears completely natural and human-like. You can further edit the rephrased content by clicking on the Proceed to Edit button, allowing you to refine it according to your needs. You can further edit your content using the Smart Editing feature. Clicking on the Smart Editing button gives you multiple options, including outline, polish, shorten, expand, summarize, and continue writing, allowing you to refine and enhance your text effortlessly. If you are finding this video helpful so far, do me a quick favor and hit that like button. It really helps the channel grow. If you click on the My Documents button, you'll see all the files you've worked on. This allows you to easily access, edit, and manage your previous documents in one place. If I click on the New Document icon, here you'll find three options: Upload Document, Online Editing, upload your existing file and edit it directly within Oreate AI's powerful editor. Generate Essay, one-click writing. Instantly create a well-structured essay with just one click, saving you time and effort. Generate Outline. By topic, enter a topic, and Oreate AI will generate a detailed outline to help structure your content efficiently. If you want to write plagiarism-free content, such as an essay, article, paragraph, or blog post, you can generate it here as natural human-like content. Simply click on Generate Essay, enter your topic, select a reference, and choose the word count. You can generate essays up to 20,000 words, all plagiarism-free. After that, select the language, and Oreate AI will automatically generate a structured outline for you. Once the outline is generated, if you want to make any changes, simply click on the Regenerate button to get a revised version. You can see that Oreate AI can generate a 20,000-word article quickly and efficiently. Enjoying the content? Let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Your support really means a lot to me. The content is fully humanized, making it indistinguishable from human writing. Even AI detection tools will classify it as highly confident human-written content. Here, you also get access to an AI assistant, which allows you to ask any questions related to your article. For example, if I ask, which is the best platform for marketing? The AI quickly provides a detailed and well-structured response, making research even easier. Next, you'll find the Research option, which helps you gather reliable information for your content. This feature allows you to search for relevant data, facts, and references, ensuring your work is well-researched and credible. It streamlines the research process, saving time while improving content accuracy. After that, you can select a format for your article. This allows you to structure your content according to different academic or professional writing styles, ensuring it meets the required standards. Now, you can insert various elements into your article, such as tables, images, charts, and links. You can also format the text by making it bold, italicized, or underlined. Additionally, you can change the text color and highlight important sections to enhance readability. You can save your article or essay in MS Word or PDF format with just one click. Liking the video so far? Let me know that I'm on the right track. If we're getting value from this, go ahead and tap that like button. It means a lot. The generated content remains completely plagiarism-free, ensuring originality and professionalism. So, that was today's video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. See you in the next video.